Marco Polo Plaza Cebu once again puts Indian cuisine front and center. And today for Khana from October 25 to 28, it's a celebration of Indian cuisine. And yes, today we're gonna feast on best of India, some curries, some some meat, some bread, and of course some veggies definitely. The amazing desserts like jalebi and other food favorites. So, come on guys, let's celebrate Indian cuisine and watch this video. So this is our meal today, Indian food. This is like your dynamite, but so cheesy but so spicy. You have to prepare with some water. And this is the chicken version of pork. This is the vegetable samosa and the chicken. And of course water. We have to have water. Pretty spicy, pretty intense. But not too overpowering. I think the Indians would find this mild. But and I'll try the lamb. And of course, chapati. We do their hands. Yeah. There's some chutney. So far so good, guys. So in a bit, I'm gonna try out the other vegetarian dishes. Then I'll cross back to the meat, then have dessert. So let's enjoy. So hi guys, we're here right now at Marco Polo Plaza Cebu because they're celebrating Khana, the celebration of Indian cuisine. And tonight we're gonna try, Xavier and I will try out the best of Indian desserts.
Okay. Sige, kayo first.
So let's start with, this is the gulab jamun.
But before you proceed to dessert, you should try their ice cream.
Yes.
Yes. And the must in the ice cream is the saffron.
Yeah, his
You
favorite.
should try the saffron ice cream.
His favorite, yeah.
Don't miss it.
Sige, tilaw na gulab jamun ba?
Yeah. Wait.
We were planning to do a chubby bunny challenge with the gulab jamun, but he doesn't wanna do. He doesn't wanna do
Actually,
it.
he cannot just finish this. It's like he's like involving me.
like chubby bunny saffron ice cream.
But it's so big.
It's quite. Oh, that's what he
I
said.
know.
That's what he said.
It's so big.
That's what she said. Quite sweet. It's like condensed milk, guys. So yeah, it's really good.
I need water.
So next we're gonna try out the jalebi.
Jalebi.
Yeah. But I had Jollibee already before, earlier though.
Yeah, good.
I have a small one.
Crispy on the outside.
More siyang chakoy, no? You should have put sugar.
I think maybe that's really
Next we'll have the barfi.
Yeah.
my favorite.
Yeah.
I like the bar.
I usually had this before I have Indian students, and yeah, they give this to me a lot.
Barfi.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like pastillas, according to our friend. Indeed,
the
it
next?
is like pastillas. Then, saan na yung mga
Peda,
ano ni?
peda.
Peda.
The peda, yeah, see?
Peda ni.
No, this is the peda. No, I don't know.
Peda ni no?
Peda, that's the peda.
Peda, oh. Peda pushers. We're gonna be a peda pushers. Peda. Peda
Peda
pushers.
is made up of what sa oil? Peda is made up of we don't know
It's
also.
like another one pastillas type.
Just the same one earlier, but it doesn't have a topping. And it's shaped like circle.
Yeah.
Still milky, creamy.
Bisan alu. What's this? Bisan alu. Okay. Yeah. Ana, try.
Don't follow me, I'm using my hands.
Like pulburon.
Very nice. Pulburon. Always have water when you eat sweets.
And finally, we're gonna try out the orange. I didn't, not finally pa, orange cardamom brulee.
Very,
Tungan anang kwan.
no. It's a creme brulee. Flavored orange.
Quick.
I'm gonna try out the pralines there, the special spicy praline. We don't know, they don't know.
We don't know the feelings.
So,
It's just like love, you don't know what's the feelings.
yeah, you'll never know what you're gonna get. Nice, nice. Wow! How do you find the desserts there?
Tastes good, of course. For the Indian, yeah, I really like the one which is like, I'm a big fan of shakoy. So the Jollibee, the shakoy one, it tastes good. So you can put sugar also and more chocolate topping.
Actually, you can find the desserts just right at the entrance.
The desserts are worth it already.
Yeah, really good. And yeah, if you don't like strong flavors, avoid the saffron ice
You
cream.
can have all the malicious cookies you
But
want.
you have to put, these are the delicious cookies to cleanse our palate and return to our world. So guys, thank you so much for watching this quick dessert episode. So Xavier, how can they follow you?
Just follow me on Instagram, that Dookiesafe, DOOKIEXAVE, or the hashtag the dentist is out.
And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now to Kalami Cebu. And we hope to see you in our future adventures again. Bye.
Bye.
Alright. Thanks, Scott.
My pride
And that's
account.
our camera girl. So how can they follow you?
Oh, follow me on Instagram. That's KCKEIS. Thank you.
And you? Ami on the lock. Ano?
Ami on the left.
And happy birthday, by the way, Ami.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Birthday,
Carlo
yes,
Olano,
yes.
for getting me tonight.
Z Lifestyle. So guys, bye-bye. Bye.